Look here. On today's episode of SuperTrooper and StreetKing Adventures, I'd like to bring to you a low country boil in an instant pot. Quick and easy, guys. I can do it. Alright, so first thing, take off the lid. Alright, we're gonna add in 4 ears of corn. Just throw them in there. We'll rinse them off first, but 4 ears of corn. Yeah. Easy enough. And we have 1.25 pounds, 1.25 pounds of potatoes. Little baby potatoes, little baby things. Rinse them off, put them in here. And we have, what else we have? We have 1 pound of smoked sausage, chopped up into 2-inch slices. I've already done that. Chopped it up. Just gonna dump it in there. Dump it in there. That's it. Alright. The rest of it. Alright. And next we want I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons of Zatarain's concentrated shrimp and crab boil. Okay, so I'm gonna put in, well, you know what, before that I'm gonna put the water in first and then I'll add that so it's not so concentrated. Put 6 cups of water. Got 4 cups of water here and I'm gonna add in another 2 cups. Gonna put 6 cups total. Alright. Another 2 cups here. Alright, so 6 cups of water total. So yeah, I'm gonna add the 2 tablespoons of the Zatarain's concentrated shrimp and crab boil. Yeah, just pour it in there. Yep. Alright. A little splishy splashy. Put 6 teaspoons. We'll put, 6 teaspoons of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll put 2 more later. I need to bring this up to a boil, set it on 4 minutes, and I'll add 2 more whenever I throw the shrimp in. Right, so for right now, we gotta close this thing. Lock it, and as you can see, it says off. I mean, all you gotta do is hit manual here, and we're gonna set it on 4 minutes. Wow, it was on 45. Alright, 4 minutes, and we don't have to do anything. In a second, it'll just turn itself on. Simple as that. There you go, it's on. Alright, so we'll come back when this thing's hissing and a beeping and everything else, and we'll add our shrimp to it. 2 more teaspoons of the Old Bay Zatarain Old Bay seasoning. And yeah, get back to you in a minute. Alright, now that that's over with, we have to release the air pressure from it, so we gotta vent it. set your top off to the side, and we're gonna add 1.5 pounds of shrimp, raw shrimp. So they could be still in the shell or headed or whatever. Just for the first time, I got them. They're unshelled, their heads gone, everything ready to go. Now I'm gonna put in 2 more tablespoons of the Old Bay seasoning. So that's 6 tablespoons total. And those are heaping as well. Back in for, I'm going to say, another minute. So put the lid on, make sure it's in the sealing position here. And again, it's pretty easy. All you gotta do is hit manual. Well, I guess you gotta. It's not as easy as I thought. So it's on keep warm right now. Let me turn that off. It's off. I want to turn on manual. Hit manual. And I want to put it on 1 minute. 1 minute. And after a couple of seconds, that thing will just kick on, and you just wait for the beeper to go off, and we're almost there. Yep. So there you go. It's on. Got it set for a minute. All right. We're gonna just wait for this bad boy to be finished. Alright, so the Instapot just did some beeping, telling me it was done. So again, you just have to vent it, pop it open, we'll strain it, put it in a Tupperware container, and it's good to go. So they make a strainer for this thing that you put inside of it, and I could have just lifted it out, put it straight in Tupperware. I forgot to put the strainer in the Instapot first. So I got these little guys, so I can pick it up, strain it the old-fashioned way. And I'll link these along with the strainer on the YouTube description down below. So, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, that's the finished product, I guess you can see. Yep, good to go. And you could put this on top of it. It's made for to keep it warm. And this is the strainer that I should have used. Could have just kind of picked it up, straight out, good to go. I'll link these in the description. Alright, so yeah, that's the little bit of practice for the RV lifestyle that's ahead of me and Maria. Alright, thank you for watching.